Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple released watchOS 5 Beta 1, along with iOS 12 Beta 1 and macOS Mojave. So let's take this off and I'll show you the different updates. Now the first thing, let's go back home here. The first thing is they've added the ability for competitions, 7-day workouts. So if you're in the activity app, and you share with friends, I'm not sharing my activity with anyone, but if you do, you can challenge them to a 7-day competition and invite any of your friends to do that. One of the other things they've added is a new style of workout. So if we go into the Workouts app here, we'll scroll a little bit, see if we can find it. There's a new yoga app, or a new yoga workout rather. If we go in here, we can open it, see our calories, just like that, and it uses your heart rate to determine that. Now there's some new things for runners as well, and new statistics. Let's see if we can find those. But those have to do with rolling mile pace, custom pace alerts, and your cadence. If we go to, let's see, outdoor run, and you've got a bunch of different things as well. Your pace alert, and you can set alerts for your pace, average, and rolling. So those are new features as well for those of you that run. Now, there's also a new feature for people that forget to set that they're going on a workout. So it detects based on, it won't go home, so it looks like it might be locked up. Oh, there we go. But it detects when someone is actually moving, probably faster than normal, and then sets it as a workout like you would just by setting it, but it recognizes that you're actually working out now. So it also detects when you start and when you stop. So that part is really nice. Now, one of the features I like the most, probably, it reminds me a little bit of Nextel back in the day, is a new app called Walkie Talkie. It's not available yet, it's coming soon, but you can see it's there, and this allows me just to tap and talk to a friend or family member just by tapping, holding, and going back and forth really quickly. It's a really nice way to communicate, and it's very clear, at least in the demos that Apple showed. Now, if you have Siri Shortcuts that you've created for your iPhone, they also will appear here. Not only will they appear here, you'll also get the stacked notifications like I am here for YouTube Studio. So you'll see there's 54 more, but you get the idea. You can swipe, close them, go here, deliver quietly, and arrange those just like you would on your iPhone. So you have those abilities as well. Now, third-party apps can be on your watch face as well. So if a third-party app wants to use that, it has the ability to now. Aside from that, there's no need anymore to say, "Hey Siri" on the watch. You can just raise it. You'll see it pick that up. But you can just raise it up and talk. Now, I haven't been able to get this to work yet. I looked for some settings, but right now it's not working, but probably in the future it will. It just senses when you pick it up, and you can talk to it without actually saying the trigger word. Also, WebKit was added so that links work. So maybe someone sends you a link, you can't open it here, it always says open on your iPhone. If you had a link here, you can tap on it, it will open up, and then you can check out that link, including photos and video. However, it's not the full version, so you're not going to be browsing the web on here using Safari or anything like that. Now, there's a new app here, although I can't find it on here, but Podcasts is available for the first time. I did try and install it. Podcasts is available for the first time on the Apple Watch itself. So if I go here, we'll unlock it. You'll see we can go down to here, go to Podcasts, and we can say Listen Now. Now, it's not working yet. I don't have it on here. I tried to install it, so maybe it's just not working as of this moment, but it is something that's coming. Now, you can also do things such as play background audio, like audiobooks, things like that. There's also a custom button arrangement on the control center if you'd like to arrange these. You can arrange these a little bit. There we go. There's the edit button. And it doesn't seem to be working at this time, but you will be able to, there we go. Now they're all jiggling, and if we want to move this around, we can do that. So we can custom arrange the home screen. Maybe I want this over here. I can move it over there. So that gives us the ability to customize the control center. And finally, there's a new watch face. If I switch here, go all the way to the end, there's a new Pride watch face as well. that's included. It goes with the new Pride watch band that they introduced today. It was the only hardware that they introduced. I'm going to go back to the view I prefer here. It gives me a lot of information at once. I've been using it since the first Apple Watch, so I like this view. It's simple and straightforward. But you have all those different things. There's not too much more new other than that. Those are pretty much every new feature they're bringing to watchOS 5. I was hoping to see a new version of the watch itself, but that's what we have for now. So hopefully that helps, and let me know what you think about it, though, in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.